Hi guys, it's Chris
and Elaine.
And Elaine from Boat Car Adventures. I sound depressed, don't I?
Yeah, do it again.
No, we let it run. Let me start again. We're not even going to edit that. Hi guys, it's Chris and Elaine.
Hey.
From Boat Car Adventures. We're just so tired. We've been working hard today. Anyway, we are on our way to do our first challenge.
Yep.
Which would be go to KFC.
Yep.
Drive-through in Poole.
Yep. Wessex. Is it Wessex Gate?
Wessex Way, yeah.
Wessex Way or Wessex Gate, yeah.
Whatever, yeah. It's in Old Bay anyway, Poole. Yeah. There's only one big one there. And our challenge is, the KFC challenge is to order some food and see if they offer us sachets of ketchup
or mayonnaise,
sachets
or
of anything.
Yeah.
Because we've been to so many now and they've not offered us. We've had to literally say, can we have some ketchup please? I've just spent £20-30 on chicken.
Exactly.
For a family of 5, so
it's ridiculous.
The cost of service is not great, but this is not about calling out KFC. We just want to do like our little challenge and see, number one, if they offer us, if they do not offer a sachet of ketchup, they get a strike. Okay, which is not good. If they do offer us sachets that gives any less than 5 for at least a minimum of 10 of hot wings, they get another strike for that as well. Because the other problem is when they do give sachets, you drive away and you got a bucket full of chicken and you got 2 sachets in there.
Exactly.
It's not on.
No.
Anyway, so we like KFC.
Yep. So
this is again to
the first challenge. Here we go.
Just like that.
Yep, just like that. Come on.
Here we go. All right. Right. Okay. Let's go. And we're going to be using our dash cam, which the image will be on the video. Right, so we're outside the KFC and we're going to be doing this challenge. We're going to use our dash cam and that's going to be a feature of our boat car adventure now, so we can capture what's going on. They'll never suspect a thing. Anyway, let's go. Oh, what's this?
No, by the way, what can I get you?
Hola, can I have 20 hot wings?
Sorry, how many?
20 hot wings.
20?
Yeah.
Yeah, anything else?
No problemo.
Sorry, say again?
No problemo.
Okay, second window then please, thank you.
Gracias. I was going to say he speaks Spanish. In Spanish. I should have said he speaks Spanish in Spanish. No problem. You speak enough languages country and they get confused. Sorry. Tell me for some views. I can't see if I'm far enough.
Around there.
990. Right, challenge begins now.
Oh, don't make them see.
I don't see. They can't see that far in.
Oh yeah, true.
Stealth cameras everywhere. Gracias, señor. Okay, I've got a ketchup.
And barbecue.
And barbecue, please. We need quite a few, please.
Yeah,
Just put a bucket in. Oh, brilliant.
Thank you.
Bravo. Grazie. Okay.
over.
I know that. Hold it up. You can't knock that. You can't knock that. Failed the first one though.
Yeah, he
Didn't give us a
actually
straight
ask.
away.
Yeah. They gave us a cup.
A cup. Oh, I don't know. I think. I don't know. I rate him for that. I don't know. We'll leave that at a debate.
Yeah,
I think
definitely.
whether we actually give him a point.
Yeah, I think we've got to give him a point.
Yeah. So we'll call that as a success or fail.
I don't know.
Technically,
he still has to fail because he didn't offer it.
I know, but he was very nice and he gave us mate. Actually, we'll let you decide in the video. Please comment. Let us know what you think. Does he deserve a fail? Or not say KFC deserve a fail?
Yeah.
Or is it a success?
Yeah.
Because I wasn't expecting a cup.
No.
He's a nice guy. So anyway, that's the first challenge, KFC challenge. Let's see what next.
it slide.
Cause we be on a tough love.